Is it for July or is it for August? No, it's for July. Yeah, it's for July. Andrea, also known as CRMediaGal. I'm blanking, guys. Oh my God, I really can't talk today. Sorry. Hey everybody, CRMediaGal here. Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I just had an unboxing. I was surprised. It's August 3rd and mine actually came on time, so I'm really impressed by that and really excited. I hope I haven't just jinxed myself by saying that. Hopefully not. But yeah, here we are again and we've got another GeekGear Wizardry unboxing video. I'm so excited. Again, I've been avoiding spoilers, so I have no idea what's in this box. As you can see, mine's a little bit damaged, so hopefully everything in there is intact. I guess we'll see. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Andrea, also known as CRMediaGal in the fandom and fanfiction world. I would love to have you as a subscriber. I make a lot of Harry Potter related videos and unboxing videos on this channel. Be sure to click the subscribe button below so that you can get notifications on future videos. And if you enjoy these sort of videos, be sure to give this a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get into the box. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys the first peek inside here. Oh, there's something already on top. Oh, looks like it's just it's just a promo to subscribe to the special edition box. Guess what, GeekGear? You already got my money. Now I'm officially gonna give you the first sneak peek. Okay. Oh, and it looks like it's a black t-shirt. Oh my gosh, and I actually think this is gonna be huge. I've been having trouble with the various sizings for this subscription box. I've done all sorts of different ones. Every single month that I've gotten it so far, it's been different. And now I have a feeling this might be too big. One of these days I'm gonna figure it out, but I have no idea if that's even in focus. I'm sorry. I guess it wasn't. Oh, that's cute. It's of Hagrid on his motorbike with, I guess that's supposed to be the moon in the background. I was about to say Earth, but that would make no sense because that would mean that Hagrid was flying in space. I love that it kind of reminds me of E.T., so I don't know if it's purposely meant to be like a kind of a take on E.T., but that's really cute. I like that. Though that is huge. I think I'm gonna have to go down a size now. All right, next we got, oh, this looks pretty cute. Looks like it's the Hogwarts Express, designed by GeekGear. Okay, so this is an exclusive item from GeekGear. And it's of the Hogwarts Express. Not sure if I'll keep that. I mean, I know it can be pretty cute Harry Potter decor. I can definitely think of two nephews of mine who would really enjoy this, so nice. Okay, what am I gonna go for next? Oh, it looks like we've got a pin here, and it's a GeekGear exclusive again, the Captain pin. So it comes in this velvet cushioning, if you can see that there, and it's of the Quidditch Captain for Slytherin, since I am a Slytherin. Really pretty house item. I think in past subscription boxes before I was a subscriber, you did get, it's a knockoff of the licensing merch of Head Girl and Head Boy pins. So that's really cute. Nice little house item. Okay, here we got another GeekGear exclusive, and it's butterscotch soap. Never gotten a bath item before, so this is exciting. That does smell good. And it looks like there's some, I don't know if there's a design on there or not. I don't think there is. I think I'm just seeing things. That smells really good. I'm excited to use that. This might be another house item because it is green. Let you guys get a first peek of that. So it looks like it's a tote bag that says Wizarding School on there. It's not a large size, but I mean, I'm sure I can fit some things in there, so that's really cute. I think this might be a wand, you guys. I mean, it's certainly wrapped like a wand. With a cute little owl stamp on there. I'm horrible with wands, guys, so I'm probably gonna guess wrong. Ooh, that is really pretty. So you've got some knotting there at the top with an angled end for the handle, and it kind of slopes in here. These wands, of course, are not official licensing merch. They're still really good quality. They're certainly heavier than the Noble Collection wands. I'm guessing maybe that's Tonks. I mean, it has the same coloring. I know hers has kind of a curvier end to it though, so I'm really not sure. I might have that wrong. I will include that in the description. so that we all know for sure. Oh, looks like we got some more recipes this month. They always include some recipes in their subscription box. Oh, it looks like we got 3 here. So the first one we have is house scarf cupcakes. That looks really good. I really need to consider doing some of these on my channel. I'm not much of a baker, unfortunately, but we got Molly's roast chicken dinner. That actually looks really yummy. The last one is acid pops. Those two look very yummy. Okay, and lastly, they always include some kind of print, but I am struggling to get this out. Oh, okay, so this was last month's hint, and it's an actual art print this time, which is so exciting. The last 2 times that I've been a subscriber, it's been like a film still type of print, but this is an actual art print, which I love, and it's of the Demi-Guy. That's really neat. I love that. With a couple different sketches in there. I'm happy to see them doing actual art prints. I was worried that maybe that was something that had stopped, but I am making a mess. Looks like that was the last item. So here we got the monthly pamphlet that you get, and it looks like we got the exclusive wand. Of course, it doesn't say whose it is, so I will figure that out later. Then we got the exclusive steam engine, the 3 recipes for the month. The house scarf cupcakes look really good. Then the exclusive Wizardry house tote bag. So those are the different colors that you can get for that. Then the exclusive captain's pen. I really like that one. Then the exclusive Demi-Guy's print. Oh, the butterscotch soap. I already forgot about that. And then the t-shirt. Next month's box hint, the 3 brothers. I'll be curious to see what that is. But that is it, guys. That is my GeekGear Wizardry subscription box for July. What was your favorite in this month's box? Comment down below and let me know. I think my favorite might honestly have to be either the pin or I think it's down in the box. I've been making a huge mess. It's here somewhere. Soap. Yeah, I think those would be my 2 favorites from this month's box. But which one was yours? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. And I'm looking forward to next month's box. I think I am subscribed for at least 3 more. So I'm not sure how much longer I'll be able to do these. I hope I can keep doing them because I really enjoyed this subscription box so far. But it's a pricey thing. It's a pricey thing, so we shall see. If you enjoyed this video, please again do be sure to give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And be sure to subscribe so that you can see future videos on this channel that are Harry Potter related. And I will see you guys again soon. Bye!